Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Late Night Talks. Today our focus is another German mRNA vaccine maker, CureVac. The company is getting attention due to its COVID vaccine in phase 3. The stock price rose 28% in a month. What is next? Will the stock price keep rising? Is the company going to be the next BioNTech? Let's get into the video. The story began in 2000. The founder of the CureVac has discovered a way to use mRNA technology for medical purposes. So, CureVac became the first mRNA biotechnology company in the world. Impressive, isn't it? Let's have a look at the pipeline. At the top, we see COVID-19 vaccine. The company is developing the vaccine in cooperation with German pharma giant Bayer. The COVID-19 vaccine of CureVac will probably approved in May or June. The company has already started to produce the vaccine to distribute immediately after its approval. They have also 3 other vaccines at phase 1. For example, rabies, which has almost $1 billion vaccine market. The company develops also mRNA-based cancer drugs for skin and lung cancer.
Okay, let's say they got an approval for this COVID-19 vaccine in May or June. How many doses can they produce this year?
Well, the company made an agreement with European Union for 225 million COVID-19 vaccines with additional option 180 million for 2021. However, because of the delays, the company aims to manufacture up to 300 million doses in this year and up to 1 billion doses in next year.
What are the differences between BioNTech and CureVac? Why is CureVac 6 months behind its rival?
There are some reasons. Firstly, BioNTech has started clinical trials April 2020, CureVac in June. Another reason is the management, in my opinion. They were the first company using mRNA technology, but stays behind BioNTech and Moderna with the same technology. Now, let's have a look at the financial outlook of the company. The company plans to produce up to 300 million COVID-19 doses in this year. This makes $3.6 billion in revenue. If we get the profit margin as 25%, the expected net profit will be $900 million. Let's take the PE ratio 30 and the market cap potential becomes 27 billion for this year. We see a future price potential for this year as $145 per share. If we make the similar calculations for the next year, we get future price potential as $385 per share. But don't forget, the company has to get approval with good efficacy. The company has to produce up to 1 billion doses in next year, and they have to or should secure contracts for upcoming years. Okay, let's have a look at our checklist. The company were losing money in past years, and we don't know when we'll be profitable. The success of the COVID-19 vaccine is going to play an important role for the profitability. When we look at the CEO and board, they fall behind their competitors at least for 6 months. Okay, let's look at the bright side. We are believing mRNA technology and it has huge potential for the future. When we look at the balance sheet, the company has a lot of cash due to its IPO in August and good funding. Please do your own research and give us a feedback.
And don't forget to subscribe and give a like.